Alright guys, today I'm doing a quick recipe here with the Instant Pot. So I have some Organic Girls Super Greens. This is probably one of my favorite ones. And this here is grass-fed beef, okay? All thawed and ready to go. And grass-fed beef tastes totally different than regular store-bought beef. If you've never had it, it's like eating wild game, okay? So, I got some carrots I want to use up here. I'm going to basically be cooking it in the Instant Pot. I'm going to be putting this in, seasoning it with like fennel seeds, oregano, garlic salt, all that stuff. And then I'm going to cook that, and then I'm going to put the carrots in, and then I'm going to put some rice, and then I'm going to top up the rice, submerge the rice, and then hit the rice button on the Instant Pot. Okay guys, so stay tuned, I'll be right back. Alright guys, here is the grass-fed beef all seasoned, ready to go. My carrots are all ready to go in this bowl, as you can see. And so I am waiting for it to cook up. And so it's right just about ready. I'm going to add the carrots, and then I'm going to add the rice, and then I'm going to basically add some more water to submerge the rice, and then hit the rice button. And then near the end, when it's done, I'll add the greens. So it works out pretty well. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, so it's all ready to go into the cooker here with the rice. I'm going to turn it on right now, and be about 12-20 minutes. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so it's all done here. Let's do a quick taste test. Here's the rice. Let's do a quick taste test of that. It's got a lot of flavor from the grass-fed beef. Definitely check it out guys. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Don't subscribe to the channel.